up. Make sure say when you post me video, you talk it through them when me talking. See somebody just tag say Kingmixup over here. Nobody gonna mix up, not the Kingmixup. Make sure Kingmixup, you talk it how it go. No put in nothing in it. No add in no sugar, no add in no salt. Anyway.
On the river, watch the balls. I just watched the clip with Sizzla burning DJ Khaled plaques. I want to know, do you think Sizzla playing he 38 hot with DJ Khaled about that culture vulture ass shit he be doing? Look at this clip here.
Get a knife there. Get a knife. You insult me DJ Khaled, man. How are you really at? Cut off the baby. Take out the baby picture. Cut off the baby picture. DJ Khaled, man, you insulted me, man. You insult Jamaica.
Wow. Now, after watching that, do you think that DJ Khaled is welcome back on the yard? See, I told y'all about them culture vultures, how they go over there in Africa, them Europeans, they go over there in Africa and steal from them black kids with no money and put their name on the shit. I told y'all how they do that. That's what they doing in that hip-hop industry. See, it's so demonized, it's so weaponized where they use the money, they use clout, they use fame against your ass. Yeah, they feel like, man, I'm bigger than you. I could do you any kind of way. Man, listen, do y'all think that Sizzla gonna allow DJ Khaled? Is I'm Sorry gonna work in Jamaica? Yeah, is Sizzla gonna allow DJ Khaled back on the yard them? Yeah, Bomba Club, Rasta, my pussy west. Yeah, mama, I need to know what's gonna happen with this situation. Y'all seen him burning them plaques. He cut the kid out. Kids, see, that's why I know it's some real gangster shit. Cause kids and goddamn babies and fools, they get protected by the gangster. He cut the kid out. He ain't let the kid get burnt up. But there's something going on with that culture vulture shit. And see, now it's getting showed up. Now, y'all let me know in the comments if y'all think DJ Khaled welcome back on the yard after seeing that clip. Or it's going to be some real gangster shit. I think he going to need the National Guard Army. Because I think they ain't finna play with his ass. He better stay in Miami. He better stay in Cali. He better stay in New York City. Because them people, man, listen, it'll get real icky for you. Round goddamn carnival time. Man, them people ain't finna play with your ass, boy. Yeah, y'all got to stop letting these people eat off our back, man. They ain't from the hood, they ain't from the street, they ain't from the struggle for real, and they around here get rich off us. Y'all got to stop letting these people just talk about our culture, get on song about our culture, and they ain't got nothing to do with our culture. We represent our culture. If they ain't down, if they don't look like you, if they ain't come from your block, they ain't come from what you come from, if you don't resonate with them, stop making stupid people rich. Stop making people rich off your back. They don't deserve that. You work hard. You went through the struggle. Stop letting these people, these culture vultures, come down out the sky, eat off your back, and go back up in the sky in the high ride where you don't know nothing about them. You ain't never gonna meet them. And every time they come to a video shoot, they got 1 million security guards. They ain't did none of the shit you did. They rapping about your life. Sizzla ain't having that shit. Do you think DJ Khaled, he say we the best, he in a mess right now. He the mess. He not we the best. He the mess. He in some mess right now. Do you think he welcome back in the yard? I need to know who gonna allow this shit, cause I just seen this shit. It don't look good, boy. Trust what I'm saying. Y'all comment below and let me know. We the business.
Yep, that was Nino Brown. That was one of the first black men to call DJ Khaled a culture vulture. You see me, I say, but yeah, it look like say there won't be no reconcile because we see Sizzla Kalonji is still following DJ Khaled, but DJ Khaled is not following Sizzla. You feel what I'm saying? And I think that's because, you know, DJ Khaled can't act like say I'm a pum pum in front of him wife. Cause you know say bad man, you know, burn up him picture and cut out him son them face, you know what I mean? But he is still following everybody else, you know, Capleton. As you can see, he's following Bounty Killer. He's even following Butcher Banton, you see me, I say, as well as following Skilly Bang and Popcorn. So for him not to be following Sizzla, a friend, for over 20 years, we know say it gone sour. You know what I mean? And this is definitely about money. You know, seeing, oh boy, that's why I have to deal with the contracts, them, you know. You see me, But damn, man, poor my father there with Kanye, Khaled label for 15 years and not drop an album yet. Imagine if my father did drop an album and go triple platinum and all of these things. I only part tried that for my father, you know. You see me, I say, but it is what it is. My father working with his ex-manager, Julian, from Popstar Records on an album for. And now Tony Matterhorn is laughing at all of you that called him bad mind when he called out DJ Khaled for getting rich and not bringing, people that brought him up from the beginning along with them. You see me, I said basically DJ Khaled now do nothing for him, they wants them, you see me, I said, and everybody was calling Tony Matterhorn bad mind and this and that and turn. And look what happened, you feel me? So here's Tony Matterhorn talking about the situation, you see me?
Me not do mix up, me just do facts. Anyways, you can hear me now. I just want to take this time out to say season greetings to each and every one. Love and respect and blessed love, Rasta love. Show more love. No mix up now going over here. A season greetings me are going on. Bloggers and everybody who is looking in. I wake up and see be people and message me. You did right. Me say, how much time you owe me for tell me say me right? You just give me some respect and put some respect for my name now. You always jump up. Him did right. I mean him did right. So leave it at that. Me not have nothing else to say. More than me I go on season greetings and like I wanna love mix up. Here I wanna do. Mix up the album here. I got a new album coming out 2023. It named The Untold Truth. So me just gonna talk a bag of things in the song them where me gonna reveal everything and just about everything. And if me left out something, me just do it on a bonus track. Me just talk a bag of things. Me I tell you now, who did I walk over here? Who did I instigate for kill who did I plan for rob, rape, kill? Me just gonna talk a bag of things because The Untold Truth 2023 is coming out. Because every time me open my mouth, them say, oh, I'm getting a problem, but you notice me never get none problem. You know why? Because God so loved the world, he gave you his only begotten son. Whosoever shall believe it in him shall not perish. I want to try kill Jesus. And God so gave on a Tony Matterhorn, but him say, Matterhorn, walk with some gun, because them are wicked people. And that's why them not try what them do with Jesus, them not try with me, because them I say, you know, say Jesus did walk with 12 people, him get 12 bodyguard, but them that walk with sword. And when me talk the truth, people always say, oh, he's a hater. But how can a hater look so good? When you're hateful, you never look so good. You never age so well, because God not like haters. Right, Gummy? So, for all you people out there who want to hear mix up and blend, me no mix and blend. You notice me talk things and just say what me I say and just low what me I say. And uno take what uno want to say and say, oh, you know say him hater, him a hater. You know say him bad mind. You know say him this, and then come back round. Oh, you know say him that tell the truth. So, depend on your perception of what you think Matterhorn is. You have people say him feisty, so some people don't work with me because I'm a feisty. Sometime when you hear me clout corporate companies, because me have all right for clout corporate companies, because they were the ones who tried to fight against Matterhorn. And when I say corporate, I mean in corporate companies in Jamaica. Every corporate company in Jamaica fight against Matterhorn. Every single one of them. I can't come out. The only one will never fight against me, to tell the truth, would I be Appleton? To tell the truth, are the only corporate company where me can think of in my mind in a Jamaica will never yet fight against Matterhorn career. I am the greatest Jamaican selector of all times. Yes, I can say that because I am. And if it was corporate, you would never know about Matterhorn. With a dead out like nothing like a hungry belly selector them. And every time I talk my mind about a topic or say something about someone, you always come and tell me, oh, him bad mind, him chat too much. But yet still, within months of me say when me I say, you always come back and say, you know say him the right, then to me see it, the whole fucking lot of is some mindless cows. And I am the only shepherd who really lead the sheep. Cause me speak my mind dirty. So I never know say speaking your mind meaning your mind dirty. So now me say, oh, the whole I wanna wake up to one bag of animosity, then the whole I wanna I look for come to Matterhorn. When me for said to Uno now. So me supposed to elaborate on where Uno see. Why the fuck would I do that? I don't need to elaborate on something that I already pointed out. Uno just a see. And then Uno ready for elaboration. Elaborate this in a blood clot head. I am going to tell you one thing and then I'm going to done this live. I no call nobody name. I no say nothing about nobody. So no bloggers can go say, Matterhorn said this, Matterhorn said that. Matterhorn don't say nothing more than this. Bloggers, are you ready for it? Every bloggers, get. Remember this one first. These them, shake them up. I remember gonna get a good wet in the sound can screenshot for on the top on the blog. See a picture? Look how me look. Watch a nice haircut. Alright, ready? Voila, the lighter mess up the wet name, the ambience of what I'm trying to do. Alright, see there? Shade room the whole I wanna. Take that picture you have to put power on the front part. Alright, them get the picture now. Dog Star, whole crew. Now this is the message. For all you little hungry motherfuckers. For everyone on a little hungry fuckers. This is the message. And it means ghetto people all over the world. Not just Jamaica or the Caribbean. Foreign abroad. For all on a little hungry people. Nothing wrong with being hungry. Nothing wrong with being broke. But learn this in our fucking head. And this is the message I am giving you going into 2023. Rich is not right. Rich doesn't mean you're right. That are the message for the bloggers them. When you not put Matterhorn say richness does not mean you're right. Not because somebody is rich, that doesn't mean they are right. Okay? And at that enough for fucking learning on the mind. That's why on always I gotta get the truth slap on in on the fucking face. Because the typical hungry person, you think when somebody is rich, they are right. And that's not how the world runs. But we figure it out as we go along. Because the last time I checked, Jamaican people, as soon as you have money, them think you're right. No matter what you do, true you're rich, you're right. And people are foreign, once you're rich, them think you're right. And that make one always go get fucked up. Because one thinks if somebody rich, and them richer than uno, them right. Uno na no blood clot integrity, uno stink. That's why them said to be poor is a crime. But enough to be poor, uno arrogant. Arrogant, uno arrogant. Because if you feel say somebody richer than you makes them a better person than you, then you are a fucking idiot. No pussy we have more money than me, no better than me. Well, oh, we know it's real. So this is the message I want to give to you fucking sellouts and you fuckers and all of you fuckers who think that to be rich means you're better than people. It's not so. Always remember this, people. No matter where you have in a life and no matter where somebody have in a life, You not have to grudge nobody. Because when everybody dead, we not bury nobody with them riches. And the last people them with them bury with riches, we dig up the grave and rob the grave them. Such were the pharaohs. They think because they were rich, they were right. See it? To be poor is a crime because it make you mentally stable in the dumps. Because only the rich people you guys think are right. Let's say one little taxi man where I run him taxi for feed him family. If God forbid him a drive and run over one little pitney or run over somebody, the people them would have kill him. They would have come out and try beat that man. But make one rich man a drive in Benz, run over a little pitney. They would have say, oh shit, him lick down the little pitney. But him just say, all right, no worries. I'm going to take that little child to the hospital and bring them to the hospital and give them mother some money and give them some money. Then them say, oh, God bless him. You see it? But if I want little taxi man to lick down the pitney there, them would have kill him. Because you are mentally challenged. You think because somebody is rich, they are right. Me talk my mind, uno say my bad mind. All the time when me talk about issues, uno say in bad mind him is a hater, but yet still when growing up, you listening to Matterhorn over the years, you never think my bad mind. So as me talk my mind and lick the nail upon the head, uno always say my bad mind. And I always wonder, so you mean so bad mind and look so good? That don't make sense. That don't add up. The people in my bad mind, look at the people in my bad mind. You see the bad mind in them face crack up, and look how me flawless. Thank you, Father God. You always can see bad mind in them forehead, in them eyes. Looking at my eyes. You can see bad mind. When you see bad mind, you can see pure heart. Your heart reflect on your face. When you see some people and them look wicked and ugly and look like demon, them a demon. Them heart is wicked and ugly. You know, understand? Look beyond the facade. Just look. It's like a child. When you look on a child, you can see that a child is pure and love. Why? And not true them have a little baby skin only. Them eyes reveal everything. You can look in at somebody's eye. Like some on the girl. You don't know the man want germs. Can you look in him eye and see matter in him eye. I want to still go lie down with him thinking, oh, him is a good man. Good man in blood clot. On look. Look no man. Remember good no man, not through me dizzy the phone. Look good no man. Me not go say nothing, me not go tell you no nothing, because me done this way me I say already. And the whole of you know, jump down and say, Matterhorn is a hater. Matterhorn is a this, Matterhorn is a that. No, everybody, Matterhorn was right. Matterhorn I tell you no go suck out to the mama. You're not going to be the one who always late for the judgment. Time is about. Time is upon us. But always remember, rich doesn't mean you're right. And that's our problem. Everybody will have money on a feel say them right until them fuck on over. Yeah, the spirit shows itself plain. I feel good. I feel good. So, season greetings to each and every one. Look out for the new album coming out. The Truth. Yeah, because enough of them not gonna like the truth. It could come out whether I wanna like it or not. It's coming out. So, big up to all the people, man. Have a blessed Christmas and have a happy new year when it comes. You know? And if you can't be good, be careful. And just show some love. And I hope Brazil win. Argentina I'm not sure about. And look out for France and England, because we're going to fuck up France. And God so loved the world, you're going to get an English-Brazilian final. And no argument no night. And then when Brazil and England play, Brazil are going to lose, because any of the Brazilian them score against England, only allowed one goal. And we're going to 3-1 in the finals because if we don't fuck it on ourselves, we're not giving enough visa for come to England. That's just how it is, bro. Fucking hell, man. Brazilian, we rate you as ballers and everything, and we love you and we love Brazil culture and everything, but you can't go up against England and expect to get visas if you fucking win. You're not going to win, bruv. You gotta just take one for the team. So, no problem with that. We don't have a problem with that. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna we allow you to.
Boy, I'm glad some bust myself, because nobody can say them bust me or ask a lot, And I say, man, I say, cause everybody want to take credit for somebody, you see it, man. I'm just a messenger, you feel me? Putting out a comment section what you think about that.
Oh shit, look who's making me dinner.
Chefing it up, honey.
Chefing it up. Chef Yandi daddy yard.
The first thing she said is, Yandi, you cook? Watch me show her ass. I cook.
Wait.
I cook.
Woohoo.
First up, we have my lobster garlic roll.
Oh. This look like a restaurant, man.
Yes.
Dancing crab, I taught you this.
Brought to the house. Okay, now we have our cinnamon brown sugar salmon, shrimp scampi, yams, and that's our lobster coconut rice.
Oh shit. All right, Yandi.
First up, we have my lobster garlic roll.
Oh. This look like a restaurant, man.
Yes.
Dancing crab, I taught you this.
Brought to the house. Okay, now we have our cinnamon brown sugar salmon, shrimp scampi, yams, and that's our lobster coconut rice.
Oh shit. All right, Yandi.
Yes, that was good, Yandi. Spice friend, you feel what I'm saying? Now, a lot of people is saying that video is old, and that's not Spice posting because she posted a clip 2 times of the same footage in her story. You know what I mean? But nevertheless, she also took to her Instagram page to wish the queen of hip-hop happy birthday. And she said, happy birthday, queen, at Nicki Minaj. I love you and appreciate everything you do for our culture. God's richest blessing. And I ain't gonna lie, that definitely not Spice. That caption was too dry, you feel what I'm saying? But nevertheless, people might give an update what I going from what I want with the queen of the answer. You see me look like says she's in good shape. She has guests over her house eating and ting. You see me, I say, but I'm not gonna lie to you, that food that I Yandi cook, me don't yam it, but anyway, people, let's proceed. Now, I did a live stream on my original channel that you see in front of you right there, Mix-Up and Things channel, and I think Sizzla is right. And a lot of people in Jamaica is wrong for siding with the foreign man because, based off of these people's reputation, we're off the side with Sizzla, even though we don't know the full 100. You see me, I say, as well as the gentleman that spoke in the beginning of the video. You can hear his original video, that's like 10 years old, him exposing DJ Khaled for stealing his style and being a culture vulture, you see me. Also go up on the Boom Bye Bye TV channel. I did a review about Scott Burrell saying that if the reason is the font size and Sizzla feels some type of way about that, he can pay $450 US to get his picture blown up big and his name big, as well as just a footer hype had this up DJ Khaled and them and defending Sizzla. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews and gossips. Bless.